Okay, here we are at the Hurricane Christmas Parade. We're going to try this again. First time we were down here was the 4th of July parade. We got totally rained out. It's supposed to get a little warmer. The sun was out a while ago, but it isn't now. So everybody's forming up down here. The parade doesn't start till noon, I think. I don't remember anyway. They usually have this pretty well organized. We'll see if they still do. Of course, you got yours truly here, driver of the convertible and what have you. It's going to be a fun day. Got Janet's great grandson and granddaughter here, so it'll be his first parade. Hope the weather holds out for this thing. But I'm ready to put the top up if it rains too much. We got rained on at the St. Albans Christmas Parade a week ago, but we didn't put the top up.
Oh, there's Joey.
I mean, if it's got wheels on it, it's in the parade. He's fascinated.
There's a lot here. You like the tractors, too?
Yeah. Hey, bud, you like this? Yeah. Sun's coming out, maybe, we hope. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's a bright spot up there. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Well, we got a Volkswagen Bug convertible here. So we aren't the only classic car here with the top down. We'll see how long all this lasts. Nice old car. It's a deal to GE. Hey, bud.
Hey, where's Granddad? He saw himself in the mirror. Who was that?
You like that, huh?